Alright, so welcome again to this video, and in this last video of this module, pag-uusapan natin dito kung ano yung mga limitation. Okay? So napag-aralan na kasi natin yung mga limitation with it gratis class. Pwede kang makapag-upload lang ng products, right? And then pwede kang makapag-add ng categories up to 10, then 20 lang yung customer pasok. But then again, you can increase that one kung mag-i-invite ka ng ibang tao para mag-register sa App Store. Form natin. Now, if you don't want to experience or if you don't want to have that invitation na process, no? Kung ayaw mo mag-invite ng mga tao para mawa ng gratis class. If you want to have a full-scale website na hindi na kailangan pang malimitahan sa pag-upload ng products, sabihin unlimited products na yung if you want a website na unlimited products na yung ma-upload mo, unlimited categories yung ma-add mo, limited na yung users na ma-add mo, then you can head over to our upgrade program or upgrades, mga paid upgrades natin kasi free upgrades yung mag-invite ka, hindi going to increase your limitation. But then again, if you don't want to have that, oh by the way, kapag ka pala umabot ka na ng 100 katao na na-invite, then you can have a 1 month unlimited, no? So kung ayaw mo nang, kung gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng unlimited na products na ma-upload, na category, na users, then for 1 month, magkakaroon ka ng free na ganon, pero kailangan mo munang umabot ng 100 katao na makapasok sa gratis club store, so your invitation. Right? So wala pa rin bayad yan. You can have an but if you don't want that kind of invite, then you can upgrade to our paid upgrades na mga programs, right? So this one ding unlimited uploads, no? So you can upload na unlimited products, unlimited categories and users. So you can avail this one for only 4,990 pesos per year. Alright, yung price nito, so you can upgrade that one. Now, in the previous lessons or in this module, napag-usapan din natin yung paano ka magsisimula from scratch, di ba? Kailangan yan yung lahat ng mga items sa grocery store, market, ilista mo yon, pangalan, di ba? Yung presyo, yung images. I'm sure yan yung pinaka-tedious kasi na part sa pagkakaroon ng online grocery. Pwede mo naman magawa yon. Then again, if you want to ease that way, na kami yung gagawa para sa'yo, you want to have a website na meron na naka-upload na mga grocery products, 4,500 plus na mga grocery products naka-upload na doon, pati yung picture, yung pangalan, presyo, and update din yung presyo, merong updating tayo ng prices. Then, you can head over to this another upgrade called upgrade number 2, which is the dedicated website upgrade. Una kasi unlimited uploads. So namang pangalawa is dedicated website. So yung website mo, hindi na siya, by the way, yung upgrade number 1 na magiging website mo is hindi na sa gratis. Tawag na store.clubstore.com, then slash yung website ng slug or yung website URL mo. Okay? At dito kasi sa gratis, meron kang gratis.clubstore.com, tapos slash yung name ng website or ng website mo. Pero dito sa upgraded version or unlimited upgrade 1, magiging store.clubstore.com na, so iba na yung ano mo, pero ganun pa rin yung environment, ganun pa rin yung itsura katulad sa graph. Right? But this one, yung upgrade number 2, dedicated website, meron ka na sariling domain. Probably yung magiging domain mo, for example, Francis Online Store, yung pangalan ng ng website mo din, pwede ka na magkaroon ng francisonlinestore.com. www.francisonlinestore.com. Possible website mo. So, yun. And meron na maka-upload na products. Meron ng updated din yung prices. Okay, you have your own domain name. For only 58,990 pesos. One-time set-up fee yan. And then, ayun, 19,500 yearly on the following year. Right? We'll start on the following. Yun lang. Option mo lang yan basically if you want to ease, you want to make all of these things much easier for you para makapagbenta ka na diretso, makapag-accept ka na ng orders instantly, And mas marami pa yung products na ma-upload mo. Meron kang sarili or meron na ding mga naka-upload na products, hindi mo na kailangan pang imano-manong i-upload yung mga products na yun. Head over to That Upgrades. Punta ka lang dito sa admin account mo, no, inside your admin account, and then meron ka dito makitang upgrade section. Sahin mo lang to. And by the way, kung kung bago ka pa lang sa gratis, hindi mo muna makikita yung mga upgrades na yon. Like for example dito, coming soon pa yung nakalagay dito. Kung coming soon pa yung nakalagay dito, ibig sabihin, we are allowing you to explore muna the gratis club store. Explore mo muna yung website mo, ano siya gamitin, bago ka mag-proceed kung gusto upgrade. Right? Yan lamang po muna, and I hope na marami kang natutunan. Kung hindi mo masyadong nag-gets yung mga lessons natin, you can back unlimited times. Libre lang naman to, yung website, yung training natin. So you can go back to lesson number 1, module number 1, up to this point. Right? Ulit-ulitin mo hanggang sa maintindihan mo, you can now start you can now start doing online grocery or online business, online retail business gamit ang gratis class. Maraming salamat. Proceed ka na ngayon sa next module. Pag-uusapan naman natin dito doon sa module na yon kung anong gamit itong gratis kung meron kang sarili.